jetzt wünsche ich Ihnen einen angenehmen Aufenthalt an Bord. Besten Dank. Yeah, wonderful good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Patrick Stolz, your captain on this Swiss flight to Berlin. On behalf of the whole crew, a very warm welcome on board. The aircraft is nearly ready. At the moment we're just waiting for the de-icing truck. As you see, there's snow and ice on the wings. We just de-iced the aircraft here at the present position. Our takeoff, our departure is planned in half an hour from now. The reason is restriction due to the snowfall here in Zurich. Thereafter we are flying via Stuttgart, Frankfurt, Leipzig to Berlin. Berlin weather is cloudy, temperature plus 8 degrees centigrade. And my colleague in the cockpit, pilot Mr. Robin Volvasny, flies you to Berlin today. Then, as well, because of the snowfall, we just removed some ice and snow of the engines just on the runway. That we do with adding some thrust, so maybe you have the impression we're taking off, but maybe a second later we reduce the power again and then we are ready for takeoff. So don't worry, that's a standard procedure to remove some ice from the engines. Now I wish you a wonderful flight. Thank you very much. Cabin crew on the line.
I swear, she bought a ski.
Ja, sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, Ihr Kapitän, kurz einige weitere Neuigkeiten. Der Flughafen hier in Zürich ist momentan ein bisschen überfordert. Es ist der High Peak Hour, also der größte Verkehr des Tages. Und wir mussten jetzt etwas länger auf unser Enteisungsfahrzeug warten. Wie Sie hören können, ist am Enteisen, dauert wahrscheinlich noch 10 Minuten, aber momentan ist unser Abflug noch eine Viertelstunde später geplant, so um 2:45 etwa. Besten Dank für Ihr Verständnis. Here, ladies and gentlemen, your captain speaking, a short update. At the moment there's just a rush hour here on the airport Zurich. They had not enough de-icing trucks or vehicles. So our truck arrived a little bit late. He has started the de-icing, as you can hear. Maybe need another 10 minutes until we are ready. At the moment our departure is planned in 20 minutes at about 2:45. Thank you very much for your understanding.
I watched one day. Listen, do what I said. Listen, do what I said.
Is it a new?
No.
Oh yeah.
Looks like that. A decent amount, of course. This is him.
Yeah, yeah.
Put it up here.
that
But yeah, it gets you quick.
Nebyl mít to, ty máš svůj telefon.
Prepare for departure. Have a nice flight.
haben oder das entsprechende Leuchtzeichen eingeschaltet ist. Bitte öffnen Sie die Gepäckablagen vorsichtig, da Gegenstände herausfallen könnten. Ladies and gentlemen, for safety reasons, you are required to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated or the fasten seatbelt sign is on. Please open the baggage rack carefully